And we're back, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use gradient maps for toning in Adobe Photoshop. Go to images, you will find them via the description below. Let us work with the first one. I'll press Ctrl J to copy that. I'll make the origin invisible. And when I have a second copy, I call the first one desaturate. Make sure it's selected. Go to image, adjustments and desaturated. And I've got a colored copy on top. Now let us go to adjustment layers, gradient map, and I click on the gradient. Click on the settings icon and we want to append gradients. If it looks a little bit too chaotic, click on the settings icon again and then click on reset. And then append the photographic toning gradients, and you will find, for example, this sepia, very typical toning gradient map. And what happens is the shadows, they get the dark color, and the highlights, they get this light color, and the colors in between, they get the colors this typical gradient map has. If I apply the gradient map to a saturated or a colored image, it makes a little bit of a difference. You can see that in the face of the model. So keep that in mind when you use it. Maybe you want to try to desaturate it first and then add the gradient map, or use the colored version. Let's take care of the second image. I'll create a copy, Ctrl J, image, adjustments, desaturate. And I want to add a gradient map again as an adjustment layer, but this time we want to use swatches and create our own. Go to Window, Extensions, Adobe Color Themes. It may take some time to load, and it shows you the color wheel first under Create. Afterwards, click on Explore and select Most Popular. And we want to go through this color combinations. And when we found something that we like, just click on the three dots, so the settings icon, and add it to your swatches. There it is. Let me close that. I'll click on the gradient of the gradient map. And now I click on the color down here and I select the swatches that I've just downloaded. If you can't find your swatches, just go to Window, click on Swatches, and the menu will pop up. And you can also use the opacity to lighten or increase this gradient map. And this is how you can use the gradient maps for toning in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.